Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your iPhone is on the latest iOS release and the app is installed. Next, open Settings, go to Notifications, find the app and turn Allow Notifications on. That enables alerts at the system level. Once done, check focus modes. Do not assume they are off. Open Settings Focus or swipe to Control Center and disable any active focus, because focus can silently block banners and sounds. Once basic toggles are correct, dive deeper. In the app's notification settings, enable lock screen, notification center, and banners so alerts show everywhere. Also assign a distinct sound and enable badges. These confirm alerts are arriving even if banners are missed. Then, open the app itself. Some apps have internal alert switches or require you to sign in and permit background refresh. Make sure background app refresh is on for that app so push delivery isn't stalled. Now finish the process. Force restart your iPhone to refresh push connections and clear stalled services. This often resolves delivery issues immediately. If notifications still fail, reset network settings in Settings General Transfer or reset iPhone reset. Remember, this removes saved Wi-Fi passwords. Finally, delete and reinstall the app, sign back in, and re-enable notifications. That recreates push tokens. If it still fails, troubleshoot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.